Hello traders, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Nifty ends this week at 25,014 and Bank Nifty at 51,556. Before proceeding to our weekend market analysis, we will discuss why the market declined this week, what is the reason behind this technically, and what we may expect in medium term to long term, and also we will see what are the important levels in the next week. And we will cover updates on commodities like silver, natural gas, and crude oil. So watch the video fully for better understanding. First, we see the larger perspective, the medium term to longer term view. See, this is weekly, okay? And see, let me move to the monthly. It is even better, okay? See, the assumption is this is wave 3, okay? I mean, this is longer wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. This 3 we discussed in our previous video that it may reach even 30,000 or even 33,000. Okay. So this is the longer term charts. In that wave 3, we are focusing on this one, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay. Let me remove this line and it changes to. Okay. The question here is whether this 3 has been ended here or not. If the 3 has been ended here, we may expect a decent pullback of minimum 24,200 and 22,800 levels. This will be the minimum requirement for this pullback. And then the price may start move higher to reach 30,000 plus. Okay. The important question is, are we completed this 3 at 26,300 or not? If you check the Nifty chart alone, this may seems to be a possibility, but if you check the basic information like Dow theory, what Dow theory suggests is the indices should move in a similar way. If Nifty wants to go lower, Bank Nifty also should go lower, or else both indices should move higher. So this is the idea on Nifty now. So in this idea, let us move to the Bank Nifty. See, the primary idea, as per me, okay, as per me, there are other way to count. So what I am saying is this is wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 may proceed. Okay, I don't consider these levels. I'm just marking the direction. So this is the idea for me. So if it is a 3, this price needs to move higher. Okay, the primary expectation was like this, but the price came much below this level. So it cannot be wave 4 now. Let me zoom in, because the wave 4 reaches the uh, top of wave 1, which is not allowed in the wave theory. So what is the possibility now? Either it can be a extension like this. Okay. Either it can be an extension like this. This is the primary view. Okay. Because in Bank Nifty, I don't think this wave 3 has completed here. I think even much higher is possible in this particular 3 itself. We discussed more about this internal subways in previous videos. So when considering all this, I believe the uptrend is not yet over and the price may still continue to move upside. So this is the basic idea behind my primary view, because Bank Nifty is giving a clue that we are already in wave 3. So this price has to move higher right from this zone. Okay, the important clue is Bank Nifty. We will discuss in a while. But if the price wants to move higher, this has to turn from here itself. Okay, this has to turn from here itself. Then only we can take this view. If the Bank Nifty wants to move higher in this way, the Nifty also move much higher to complete this 3 of 3 itself, because as we discussed, if the 3 completes here itself, approximately here itself, and the fifth should move, the fifth should take an extended wave pattern for complete the 5. Even though it is acceptable, I will go with the common wave pattern. So wave 3 can extend. So this is the idea behind it. So my primary idea is, yes, the markets may still move higher to complete the 3, and Bank Nifty has the much potential to move higher. This is how we need to combine the other indices. But at the same time, we should have some alternate view also. Again, the clue is Bank Nifty only. So how to change the count? Suppose if the price starts to come lower, the important level of decision is this one. This low, approximately 50,300. Okay. If the price comes lower below this point, then this cannot be wave 1, 2, 3. Okay. I mean this one. Because as a simple reason, the wave 2, this cannot be wave 1 and 2 and 3, because the wave 2 cannot trade below the starting point of wave 1. It's a simple rule. So all this bullish pattern may change to the bearish count. How to change the count in that case? This can be an expanded flat. And the price may move below this low one more time, approximately 49,500. I mean below 49,500 or equal to 49,500. This is the possibility. Okay, I'm telling the broader view aspect. Primarily, yes, the markets has a space upside, but at the same time, the important levels are we need to be watched so that we can get the alternate view also. And this is how we need to change the count. But primarily, I'm expecting the price should reverse from here itself and it become a extended waves. So not a normal high, okay, much higher, okay, understand. If this pattern moves like this, I'm expecting much higher in the indices. So these are the two options now, and we saw an important clue in Bank Nifty, this level. Below this level, we need to think about the various options, how it may come. It may come directly below this or take support, move higher and come below this point. Okay. But this wave 1 seems to be much bigger. And if that is the case, the price will still move even much lower. Okay. So this is the option. Just have this view. If it moves like this, Nifty also, I will go to the daily chart. The important level we need to see is this one, this low. Okay, 24,700 levels. We need to see how the price approaches here. Okay, we need some more clues. Primarily in a medium term aspect, it seems that the uptrend is not yet completed. I mean, even the minor third, okay, third itself not yet completed. That's my primary view as of now. But to invalidate, I am saying certain levels. In Bank Nifty, the previous low here, and Nifty, this is acceptable. So take the clue from Bank Nifty itself, okay? Because I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even the price may come here and start move higher. So take the clue from the Bank Nifty. This is the important level to decide, 50,300. Okay, if the price comes below 50,300 and this pattern is not 1, 2, 3, some other pattern is in making. Possibly a bearish and one more low to 49,500 is possible. If the price wants to move higher, I think the price will start from here itself, like this. This is the bullish structure I'm expecting in Bank Nifty. Okay, take the clue from the Bank Nifty and let us proceed in the Nifty also. As I said in the Nifty, the uptrend seems not yet over. With this idea, we will move to the hourly chart and what we may expect in coming week. Right, before that, I want to say why the price stops at 26,277 precisely. See, I believe that you have remember I have shared on video on August that 26,200 is possible in this year itself. See, that's the zone 26,200, and we precisely identify the turning point of 26,280. I have shared a lot of times. But why that 26,200? That's why the price is giving a pullback, because that is 100% of wave 1. You know, see, whatever be the pattern, either it is a 1, 2, 3 or ABC, please note it down. This is very, very important learning for you if you follow the Elliott wave. If you follow the Elliott wave, either it's a ABC or 1, 2, 3, the wave over 90% of times it will reach 100% of that particular wave 1 or wave A. That's the idea behind my 26,200, and you can see exactly the price rejecting from the 100% of this wave 1. This is the only reason I said that 26,200 is possible in this year. Okay, this is the reason the price is rejecting and we are facing a decline. And yes, of course, while seeing in weekly, the candle is not good. The V-shaped recovery is not a usual thing. So I expect some more, some base formation, and then the price may turn. Okay, this is the hourly chart. We'll discuss what we may expect in next week. So far, we discussed the broader picture. I mean, what way we are in primarily, and taking a clue from higher time frame, and now we are going into the hourly time frame. So what we may expect in the next week. So here, let me explain a few things. See, we identified this 26 280 levels. And I frankly, I say that while I say that 26 280, I not expected this decline. See, I'm not here to say everything I'm identified all the time. No one can do that. No one can do that. Please understand. See, basically, we can identify only the turning points. If you understand Elliottwave, see the price action here. Exactly rejected. If you take an entry here, see this price action. If you understand the wave theory, do you expect the price will stop here? Definitely no. Before taking trades based on waves, please understand the wave theory first. Okay, there are a lot of clues and characters to the price action. So while analyzing this 26,280 rejection point, I not expected this much decline. I expected the price to take support and move higher. Yes, I agree, but seeing the price action, I said that yes, there's a possibility of moving higher. At the same time, I gave alternate view. If there is a gap down, see, if there is a gap down and if the price moves below 25,500, the price will reach 25,300. This I explained in our midweek market update clearly. Many are asking why alternate view. This time alternate view only worked, and even market opening itself. During the market opening itself, we got a gap. Gap as meaning in the wave theory. Filled gaps, unfilled gaps has lots of meaning in the wave theory. Without understanding wave theory, please don't take trades on waves concept. This one I shared on October 3. In Nifty, we expected a bounce, but at the same time, we discussed a gap down, and if the price comes below 25,500, then the price may reach 25,300. And see, today's low was 25,230 and the expected level was 25,250. I shared that level. 25,250 is the possible. See, we cannot predict here itself that the price will stop here. That is not possible. We can expect and anticipate a reversal, but for exact levels, we need to watch the real-time price action. While seeing this price action, I expected 25,250 as the support, and the price went low to 25,230, very close, and exactly closed at 25,250. And I also again said that while seeing that day price action, I think that the possibility of one more low is still valid, and if it goes, need to check between 25,130 to 25,70. This is on October 3. On Bank Nifty, I expected 51,400 to 51,200. Even that low also on that particular day, October 3, expected level was 51,700, low was 51,683. This is what we can do. See, we can identify the support level for that particular day. And based on how it reaches that level, we need to decide the next level, whether it gets support or the price will turn or the support will not work here. Everything is based on how it approaches that level. Okay. Further, you need to learn wave theory. I'm not asking to learn from me. You can learn from anyone. Even free books are available online. You can learn. But the only thing is learn it, and you can identify the potential of Elliott waves. Each and every day, I identify the exact low. And I have explained before the price action itself. That's the wonder of Elliott wave. It's a simple logic. Without knowing how to apply the brakes, you are just accelerating. What will happen? So first understand the process, understand the wave theory, then you take trades on wave theory. See, this is what I said. The levels mentioned are based on waves and fibs, and the price will react at those zones over 90% of times. That does not mean that price will turn from those levels. We need to observe the price at those price reaction points. Those sections, those levels, the price mostly will give a reaction. But we have some other clues, whether it takes support. We need to think and we need to analyze in real time. Fine, you need to learn it. And see, yesterday, expected support level of 2570. See here. And the price is trading around that zone only. See 25,045. The levels can be around, support levels can be around 24,980 to 24,940. If the price comes again lower, this is the important level for support. And you can see the low yesterday, 24,967. Exactly between these two zones, and that is almost only 40 points. So that's what I mentioned here. Today's low was 24,966, expected zone. And today's low was 51,347 in Bank Nifty, and expected range was 51,200 to 51,400, which I shared couple of days back on October 3. Okay. So now what we may expect. We already seen in our medium term analysis that the uptrend may still continue, but at the same time, this fall should stop here. Okay. This fall should stop here and start to move higher. Then only we can expect one more high. Suppose if the price still comes lower after a pullback, I'm expecting a pullback. Okay, I'm expecting a pullback right from this zone itself, or maximum this level around what is this level? 24, 850, 875 or 850. Possibly the price should turn from here itself. At least a bounce we should expect from this zone. Already the price getting support from our level. If further declines or getting some pattern ending diagonal or makes it slower, we need to see 24, 875, 850 levels. The price should turn from here. This is important support. If the price comes below this point, we need to be little cautious, because during this time the Bank Nifty may go below this level. Anyway, the clue is in Bank Nifty. Watch the Bank Nifty for further clues. This level, 50,300. Okay. Now, what we expect is a bounce to this level, this gap zone. Okay. This is very important gap zone because the Fibs also matching this level and these two lines. Because if you take the Fib number from this high, the price moved right from this zone, the 50% and 61% comes in this zone. The price will definitely react here. If it wants to move higher, breaking this high, the price will take a fast movement and the price may move higher. Or the price will give definitely a pause or rejection. So this is important zone, that is between 25,600 to 25,750 approximately. You can check in your chart. Okay, the gap zone is very important for coming week. Okay, I'm talking about coming week only. For that, the price needs to first get support and turn from here. The price turns from here itself. I'm talking about this zone itself. We may expect the price to reach the gap zone of 25,600 to 25,750, approximately 650 to 750. Then we may decide in our midweek market update. So this is the update on Nifty. The important clue is Bank Nifty only. See, if you lower down to hourly, again the price is taking support in our range only. We can expect even this low because we're expecting this low in Nifty. The price may take some ending diagonal, yes, possibly. But for the bullish option, the price needs to move higher from here itself or from here. And yes, the bounce, the price need to check between this gap level, which is around 52,580 to 52,800. So 52,600 to 52,800, the important zone for the next week if the price takes support from this zone or even lower to the 50,900. That is worst case. Okay, I'm expecting the price take support here itself for a V recovery. Please understand, for a V recovery, the price should take support from here itself, or basically the price may take some time for taking some good bottom or uh, slow down the process of declining. Since the price action is fast, this may take some ending diagonal also. This is purely based on assumption that is not valid now, but I'm saying an alternate. If it takes, even it is good. Okay, if the price takes this way, this even confirms a good support like this. So possibly the idea here is the price needs to take a bounce from here itself. Either the same level which we reached last week or one more low to 5950 approximately, and the price would give a bounce. So based on that bounce, we may decide the further price action. So this is the update on Nifty, Bank Nifty. See, lot of things has been explained in this video. Many are asked how we can understand. So I explain the concepts also. Few important concepts. You can use it in your real-time analysis. And all the things explaining here is only to understand the Elliottwave and the market direction. Certain levels has been discussed in this video to understand the price reaction points, to observe the price. None of the things explained in this video or in my channel is not any trading recommendations. Please don't take trades based on my analysis. So this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming week and the broader perspective. So immediately the expectation is the price should stop the decline. The price should give bounce. Basically, maybe a V recovery or a base formation like forming an ending diagonal. I show both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Since the fall is very sharp, there is a higher chance that the price may take some ending diagonal like this because the decline needs to stop. Okay, the selling needs to be absorbed. That's the common way to price to turn. Very rarely the price may take a V recovery, but let's see how the price reacts. If it slows down, yes, that's a better confirmation for upcoming turning or bounce. Okay, let us see the price directly turns from here or taking some ending diagonal or base formation and move higher. So this is the update on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and see this one, a small cap. This also you can take it as clue like Bank Nifty, important level of 50,300. See the small cap. See here, if I mark the 3 ended here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the ending diagonal formation and the price may come lower. But I cannot mark 3 here because I'm not able to find a 5 subways. So minimum I need to mark 3 here and 4 here. So if I mark a 4 here, there is no 5 subways. So I mark these trend lines If the market wants to move higher, okay, this will break above this trend line like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this way the market may reach our target of 22,000 in small cap 100. Okay, but anyway, as like discussed in Bank Nifty, you just focus on this trend line. Suppose if the price moves like this, and it may even move one more higher and fall. So the focus is on currently these trend lines. Okay, as like Bank Nifty, you watch small cap also, it can give some clues ahead of price action. As of now, the price action is not good. The thing is, it needs to move above this trend line for extended waves to reach 22,000, or else the price may start declining from here itself. You need to see how the price reaction here, then we may decide. As like Bank Nifty, take the clue from small cap also. This is the update on small cap, but primarily, yes, the chances are moving higher, at least to this level. But if extended waves in Nifty, Bank Nifty, the price may reach higher. Anyway, we'll see uh, what is the option. Follow the trend lines for future price action. And silver, see, we discussed there is a possibility of a correction and one more higher. Our target is 33.5 to 33.7 in immediate term, and much higher is possible, but the immediate term is 33.5 to 33.7. But before that, we expected one more low. See, the count possibly is, see, these are things I am analyzing in this video, not analyzed before. So it can be wave 1, and see the price action at 3, 4, and it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. Uh, if it is part of wave 5, yes, it can turn to be a 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and 3 of 5 may proceed. Okay, but that is not the usual case. But in commodity, the fifth wave may extend. But if the price rejects and come below this low, this is our primary expectation of A, B, and C, and the price may start move higher. Okay, so let us see how the price action reacts here. If the price breaks above this point, this should be first resistance. First of all, we need to see how the price reacts here. If the price breaks above this line, okay, above this line, this level of 33.5 to 33.75, then we can assume it as an extended wave 5. Say 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and 3 of 5 may proceed. Or else it can become an ABC, A, B, and C. Okay, and then the price may start moving higher because this is the expectation. We expected some sort of correction or sideways here. So this is the update on silver. And this one, crude oil, if you remember, during our previous weekend analysis, during 27, I guess, last weekend, I said that one more drop and the price may start moving higher. As we expected, the price pulled back and came lower, and see the price reaction. Even I remember I said the price may reject here. Technically, in classical analysis, yes, we discussed this. It's a breakout, but the wave theory suggests that's the possible rejection, and the price rejected exactly in this zone and came lower. And even in our last weekend analysis, I said one more low is possible, and this came one more low, and the price started moving higher. So now what is the possibility? If we check this, and as like silver, see, the commodities always we need to take some assumptions because it will not move as like the equity. Okay, 1, 2. So possibly this is 3, A, B, C, 4, and commodities has the possibility of extended wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can mark a pattern like this. Okay, see, now follow the patterns. This one. If the price comes below this pattern, yes, the price may retest this breakout zone of 72.69 around this zone, and even the price may reach here. We need to see how the price approaches. Like if the price rejects from here or here, we need to see one more high, or right from this zone. We need to see it can be A, B, and C. That we need to decide based on the wave A. Okay, please understand. Based on this wave A only, we can expect ABC, or this ABC has already completed here itself. If the correction is small, you can find simple ABC here itself. Okay, so this is the update on crude oil and natural gas. See, natural gas also forming the same structure as like uh, crude oil. So follow this pattern, and either we are already expecting this level $3 in natural gas. We need to see the price moves higher or breaking below this trend line. And even though if it breaks below this trend line, this could be possibly a 1, 2, 3 only, and a 4 and 5 may proceed. So the minimum expectation is this level of 2.7, 2.7, and because we need to see it's a gap zone, so the price may take support here itself. But within gap, there is a lesser possibility. But even though you can check this line of 2.64, okay, there's a possibility of reaching and moving higher. Always we need to concentrate on subways, then only we can decide. All these are based on some assumptions. Okay, we need some clear clues, then only we can decide. Okay, this is the update on natural gas. Due to some reasons, I'm not able to analyze a stock which is near the turning point, but you can check Angel One. It is not near the turning point, but it's near the breakout zone. So you can track the Angel One for upcoming days. Not any recommendations. See, these are not at all any recommendations. I'm not responsible for your profit or loss. Okay, your money, you need to take a call. I am here just to explain the wave theory. A request everyone, please don't take trades based on my analysis. So Angel One, you can check and do your own analysis. And the next one is credit access. Actually, the price declined on Friday. So possibly one more low, and the base formation may happen. So you can use these charts for analysis for yourself. Okay. See, I tell to my learners that you should not rely on my analysis. They should have their own analysis, and they should trade their own waves. That is my intention of creating a course, and that's primarily the objective of my course. You understand the turning points of all the 8 waves. See, in Nifty, see, we identify this turning point. As I said to learners and everyone, if you are Elliottwave practitioners, the primary objective is to identify the turning point and take the trade and leave the balance to the price itself. See, there is a possibility. This is the turning point. The price may even take sideways also. Who knows? We can identify only the turning points. That's the repetition of process. See, even in this fall, we identified all the closing prices each and every day. I shown this chart 2570 and say 25980, 24980, 24940. Each and every day's close or low was identified well ahead of time. Okay, that is possible only with the help of Elliottwave. So, and let me share one chart. This is Bajaj Finance, 22nd September. This is hourly chart. See, I see this pattern seems to be an ending diagonal, and I'm not able to find a 5 wave clearly here. So possibly it can be an ending diagonal 333 structure. So here also the wave pattern not completed. So I expected one more high because it is difficult in identifying the last high. But even though we identified this high, and what will happen after ending diagonal? A decline, and the price may minimum reach this low. This is what happened. Take support here, the trend line exactly, and move one more higher above this C point and fall. Even I shared after this level, the price may come lower to test this line one more time. Even though the price reaches exactly this point, I said the wave is not yet completed and the price will take one more U-turn to reach this level, and I think already reaches this level. The turning points is the most important thing in Elliottwave, and if you wish to learn, identify the all the 8 waves in Elliottwave, you can learn my course. I explained the Elliottwave concepts with 350 plus charts, and more charts and more videos has been added to the course. If you wish to learn the market itself, and if you want to learn the identification of all the 8 waves in Elliottwaves, you can register my course. See why I am talking about the turning points, because that is where your risk reward is good. I'll give all the details about my course in the description. You can check my website. You can see the topic wise details and session wise details, so that you can understand the in-depth knowledge you are going to get in my course. And of course, I'm going to support you for the period of 1 year. You can send me the charts, and you can ask the doubts, concept-wise doubts. And one more thing I want to clarify, that few are asking why you are not giving the live classes. I believe in the content of the course. Okay, if I come live and talking about the same theory, what is the benefit? I believe in the content. I believe in the real learning. So due to my situations, currently I'm not able to take live sessions. Maybe in future it is possible, I don't know, but currently it is not possible. I believe in the content and not the way it is presented. If you like my analysis and if you wish to get the market updates twice a week and precise level of turning points and more learnings in Elliott waves, you can subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, families, and traders, so that I can also reach more people and they can also understand the waves in a better way. So thank you. Trade safe. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Take care. Bye.